Rusty's Garage. Alright. Lifters are in. So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna gotta run these threads. You gotta clean these out. You gotta run these threads here, all of them, because then your heads ain't gonna talk right. You're gonna have all kinds of debris and stuff in the holes. So you want to make sure all of those things are retapped. Keep all the threads nice. This way the new bolts go in sweet. Torque them down correctly. Job done. So that's where we're at. Gotta do all these threads now. Retap all of these bolt holes. Then move on from there. All your performance needs. Rusty's Garage. When in doubt, throttle out.